It's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking for your best hair every time you step out of your house? Well, definitely check out Brightup's Professional Hot Air Styler. It comes with 5 attachments with one tool, making my life minimalistic. The blow dryer works so good with 110,000 RPMs of air coming out, and the high-speed negative ionic blow dryer is wonderful for giving me a smooth texture. I like that it has the 3 temperatures, hot, warm, and cold. So if I set a curl, I can use a cold blast to make it set and stay. And I love all these attachments. I use all of them. The straightening brush, it is really great for getting my hair nice and sleek and smooth, and it feels wonderful on my scalp. The blow dryer brush is wonderful for getting that lift and volume and getting a nice little blowout at the bottom with a wave and a curl. I have my pre-styling hair dryer and my curling irons, which are my favorite. There's the left and right barrel, which shows you the curl with the arrow. They're 40mm barrels, and it's the perfect curl. I love how it just grabs my hair, and it takes no effort for me at all. I just grab my strand, and it latches on and pulls it. There's no tangling or ripping of my hair while using any of these attachments. I love how they lock into place, and I don't have to adjust them once they're put. And I like that the bottom motor has a lock and you can unlock it. Then you can clean the dust out from the bottom because it comes with the brush as well. A lot of my older tools would get a buildup or a film and dust, and then I wasn't able to clean it. But this makes it to where this tool can last a very long time. The quality is impeccable. It comes in the prettiest box and would also just make the best gift. Since this is really all I need for styling my hair, this makes me want to do my hair, and I love it, but that's just my point of view.